Alright, moving on to the bottom circle, we're going to identify each part of the circle given its equation. So the center is based on the h and k value, but then again, we have to not be tricked. It has to be the opposite values. So even though this looks like +7, -2, my center is actually -7, +2. And that goes back to what I showed you up here as to why the h and k values are flipped from what it looks like. Now my diameter, for my diameter, I actually need to find my radius. So let's find the radius on the side. Now let me highlight this. So let's go. R squared is equal to 324. I'm going to square root both sides. I'm actually going to use a calculator because I don't know. And that's going to give me 18. R is equal to 18. But it's not asking for radius, it's asking for diameter. So to find a diameter, I need to multiply it by 2. Diameter equals 2r, which is equal to 2 times 18, which is 36. And that's how you find the diameter given the equation of a circle. Alright, number 9, finding the center, then the circumference. Go ahead and find the center. I think you can do that pretty quick. Go ahead and do that and click continue, or click and pause it, do it, and then click play when you're done. Alright, for the center, I look at the h and k values. Here's h and here's k. Go ahead and write down your h and k value, please. That is correct. That is -2 and -9. And go ahead and find our r, please. So for my r, 196 is my r squared value. That means my r will be 16. Double check that. Nope. 14? I think it's 14. Yep. So my r is 14. To define the circumference of the circle with a radius of 14, I use the circumference formula, which is c equals 2 pi r. So it's going to be 2 times pi times 14. Let's do that on a calculator. 2 times pi times 14. That gives me 87.96. Round to nearest hundredth, as we always have. And the last one, doing number 11, we're going to find the center, then the radius. Go ahead and find the center for me. You guys should be getting pretty good at this. Go ahead and write down your center, please. That is correct. The center is at 3, -4. Go ahead and find your radius, please. Alright, so for my radius, my r squared value is 81. That means my r value is 9. But I'm not asking for the r, I'm asking for the area. So that means I'm going to go... Oh, I just stopped thinking. Area is equal to pi r squared. So r is 9, so pi 9 squared, which is pi times 81, 254.47. Go ahead and check your answers on the next slide.